Hi everybody, it's Behnam Rad here, founder of Wincc Flexible Mastery. This is an overview for Module 5 from Wincc Flexible Mastery online course. In this module, we're talking about communication basics and principles, how to set up the parameters for connections, what are the area pointers, how we can configure the connections, and how we can configure the area pointers. So we started with connections. We have created two connections over here. We go to area pointers. As you can see, there are some of the parameters which are for all connections, like project ID. So when you set it up, it's only one project ID for all connections, and there are parameters which you can define them for each connection. We go with screen number for all connections. We just want to see how we can use the screen number and what are the parameters that we can get from a screen number. So here we have defined an object over the button over there. So when we hit the button, there are three fields. One is the type of the screen, one is the number of a screen, which is screen number 2, and the other one is the field. As you can see, if we click on any one of those fields, the field number is going to change, which is really good in case you jump to another screen and you expect the operator to change a parameter for you. You can see if the operator is on the right parameters or not. We have two different types of screens. As you can see, there is a part of the screen on the top which is common between all the screens in Wincc Flexible, and its type number is different. So if I click over there, you can see the type number 4. The second item in area pointers is a date and time of PLC. Let's say you have the date and time of PLC as master time, and you want your HMI to follow the date and time of the PLC. Over here, we go and change the date and time in PLC from 1994 to 2017. It's going to take a while, and then the HMI will take that. The other parameters that we talk under the connection is the coordination. Coordination has 3 bits: live bit, operation, and a startup. And we're going to go through it in details and tell you what each one of these bits are doing and how we can benefit from using these bits. Live bit is constantly flashing for you if the HMI is constantly communicating with your PLC. Then we have 2 buttons, online and offline. If I go offline, the live bit stops flashing. When I go back to online, then I have the operation bit just has a positive asterisk on it, which shows that now this connection is back into online. The last item that we are going to talk about is job mailbox. Through job mailbox, you can do different things like reading and passing recipe numbers. You can even use that for jumping from one screen to the other screen. Let's say you have an alarm and you want the operator to go and check one parameter over there to make sure that operator is in the right page. What you can do, you can use a job mailbox to jump to that screen and give the focus to that parameter, so operator knows which parameter he has to check in case the machine is down and they have to set any other parameters. That was an overview for Module 5 from Wincc Flexible Mastery online course.